Hare Krishna. So many times when we are out preaching, when we are speaking to people, many people say, Sir, what you are saying is correct, perfect. We accept it, we appreciate it, but we are not able to follow. We are not able to implement in our day-to-day lives. So I was just wondering, if they are appreciating it, they are liking it, then what's the difficulty? Why they are not able to implement in their day-to-day life? Why can't they become devotees? I was just wondering. So then the answer for that is a small incident from Mahabharata. When Krishna, he was sent as a peace messenger, as a Shanti Dut to Hastinapur before the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Krishna spoke so beautifully, so convincingly to Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana. But the same words were heard by Duryodhana, Dhritarashtra and team, and Bhishma and other devotees, those who are assembled there. These words of Krishna were like nectar, like Amrita to Bhishma and other devotees. But that same words were not appreciated by Duryodhana and Dhritarashtra. Why? Because of one thing. Krishna speaks in Bhagavad Gita that Yesham tvantagata papam jananam punya karmana edvandva moho nirmukto bhajante maam dridhavrata. As long as we don't stop committing sinful activities, as long as we don't increase our pious credits, till that time we will not overcome the dualities of this material world, which is the cause of all our problems in life, and till that time we cannot with full determination accept or implement all those things, beautiful things which we are hearing from the Shastras. So therefore, what stops us? What's the gap between accepting and implementing? It is lack of pious credits. When pious credits are not enough, there we cannot accept or implement what we are hearing. So now the question comes, how to increase pious credits? Simple thing, first thing and the foremost thing, just come in the association of devotees. In that association, chant the Lord's names. In that association, hear about Krishna. In that association, do some seva. And most important and the easiest of all things is just eat Krishna Prasadam. On regular basis, if we eat Krishna Prasadam, what will happen? All our tendencies to commit sinful activities will go down and our pious credits will increase. Just by the association of devotees and doing all these things in the association of devotees, one day it will become very easy for us to implement everything what we have heard. Just like these beautiful unripe mangoes. Now these mangoes, if they lose their connection with the tree, they are useless. But if they can just be in the connection of this tree, they are connected to the tree, what will happen? In due course of time, they will become yellowish, they will become very sweet, they will become very delicious, everything will come. The only thing that is required is connection to the tree. Similarly, only thing that is required is association of devotees. If that can be done, and eating Krishna Prasadam can be done, chanting, little service and little hearing, definitely that gap between our acceptance, appreciation till implementation will be completely minimized or diminished, and we will be also able to follow or practice Krishna consciousness in our day-to-day life very seriously and nicely. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.